Now, Eden, as we've been talking about Piet Mondrian, we saw that he had simple lines that made squares.
Yes.
He had straight lines, and they went always, which way is this?
Vertical.
Vertical, right. Or they went
Horizontal.
right. I always have to think about that. So we're going to make a picture that looks even more like what he painted. Last time we got together, we used different squares and added them together.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
now we're going to do one that's even more like how he painted. And so we're going to use a ruler because that helps me out a lot.
Okay.
So I want you to make 2 lines, 2 straight lines somewhere on your paper. They can be anywhere. 2 straight lines going horizontal. 2 horizontal lines, wherever you want them. Okay,
Pencil?
with a pencil.
Okay.
So I think I'm going to make mine right about here, and then I'm going to make another one probably way down here somewhere. All right. So 2 lines wherever you want to put them. Yeah, doesn't matter as long as they're horizontal. Good job. Hold on to it tight. Okay. Now I want you to do 3 lines vertical anywhere you want them. Good. There you go. Wherever you want. And now we're going to make some lines that don't go all the way to the edge. We've been going from one edge to the other edge, right? So we're going to make some lines that don't go to the edge. I'm going to do a few horizontal lines. Like I'm going to do a horizontal line here, but I'm not going to cross over. And then I might do one here, but I'm not going to cross over. Does that make sense? Yeah, at least take it to that. Let it finish off on a line. Right. So I want you to make another horizontal line, but I don't want you to, there we go. Now I want you to make another horizontal line, but I don't want it to cross over. Like here you crossed over, 2 lines. I want you to go and make a horizontal line where you don't cross over any lines. Just connect it somewhere. I don't care where you want to do, but just go from line to line. No, okay, where you're just going to do this little section here. Just right there. Beautiful. And I want you to do another one anywhere on your paper that is just going from line to line like that. Good. And now I want you to do 2 or 3 lines where it's just going up and down, but don't cross over any lines. Like right here, and I'm not crossing over. Good. Do another one somewhere, anywhere. And you can put them some real close together if you wanted to. It doesn't make any difference. Oh, nice. That's looking really nice.
Thank you.
And if it looks balanced, or if you want to add a few more lines, you can. If you want to add lines, I'm going to cross over 2 lines here and do that. That makes mine look a little more balanced, I think. Good. And you can do however many you want to. I did some kind of close together. Why don't you do one somewhere that's kind of close together to another line? Does that look good? Oh yeah, that looks real nice. Okay, so now we can either, what do you think we should do? You think we should outline them first and then color them in, or color them in and outline them? Did you like doing it the way we did? Outline them first? Okay, so why don't you get your Sharpie and let's outline them. Okay, now we're going to use our primary colors again, which are
red, yellow, and blue.
Beautiful. And remember, you can always leave some white and you can make some black if you want to. Okay? So right now, you can do any color you want, but if you want to leave some of the big areas white, that won't be a whole lot of coloring to do. You're welcome to do that.